Hope and anticipation hang in the air as Fort Myers Beach awaits the return of its iconic pier. A symbol that once drew locals and visitors alike for relaxation, fishing, and sunset strolls. For a third Labor Day in a row, the beachfront remains without its beloved structure. A reality that stirs a mixture of nostalgia and impatience in the community. But here's where things get complicated. The rebuilding process is underway, yet the absence continues to be felt deeply by many residents and travelers. Reflecting on September 28, 2022, Hurricane Ian's fury left indelible scars along the southwest Florida coast, wrecking homes, businesses, and taking lives. Compared to such tragic losses, the ruined pier may seem minor. Still, its absence serves as a constant reminder that the area's recovery is not yet complete. And this is the part most people miss. For some, the pier represents a milestone of hope and rebirth, a collective sense of moving forward together. Plans for reconstruction are progressing under the official Fort Myers Beach Pier replacement project, a vital piece in Lee County's broader efforts to revive the region post-Ian. Earlier this year, a series of architectural renderings pulled back the curtain on what the future might hold. Imagine a pier stretching 1,000 feet into the Gulf and measuring 12 feet across, both longer and wider than its predecessor. Designed to accommodate even more visitors and activities, these images reflect a 100% completed design, though minor tweaks may occur as final details are hammered out. Secured funding from FEMA's Disaster Relief Fund has set the wheels in motion, but it's not all smooth sailing. The project currently sits in the design and permitting stage, with construction targeted to launch in late 2026. If all goes as planned, and weather permits, building the new pier should take about a year. But here's where it gets controversial. Some locals wonder if the new pier will capture the charm and spirit of the original, or if a bigger, bolder design will change the character of Fort Myers Beach altogether. Should restoring tradition take priority over modern upgrades, or is it time for a fresh start? What do you think? Is it more important to honor the past, or embrace a bold new vision? Share your thoughts below. Does the wait feel justified, or should the process be moving faster? Let's get the conversation started.